Why and how to set up manufacturing business of IV fluids. Intravenous IV fluids are essential in modern healthcare, used for hydration, delivering medications, and maintaining electrolyte balance. The demand for IV fluids is driven by various factors, including the rise in chronic diseases, surgical procedures, and the need for emergency medical care. Setting up a manufacturing business for IV fluids can be a lucrative venture, given the growing market demand. Market demand. The global IV fluids market was valued at approximately $13.2 billion in 2021 and is expected to grow to $18.6 billion by 2027, with a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.1%. This growth is attributed to the increasing prevalence of gastrointestinal diseases, malnutrition, and chronic conditions requiring regular fluid administration. Opportunities for startups. Starting an IV fluid manufacturing business presents several opportunities. High demand, consistent and growing demand for IV fluids in hospitals, clinics, and emergency services. Technological advancements. Adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies like blow-fill-seal, BFS, can enhance production efficiency and product safety. Health sector growth. Expanding healthcare infrastructure, especially in developing countries, increases the need for IV fluids. Government support. Potential incentives and support from governments to boost local pharmaceutical manufacturing. Marketing and distribution. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify target customers, competitors, and market trends. 2. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity and marketing strategy to differentiate your products from competitors. 3. Sales channels. Establish distribution channels, including direct sales to hospitals and clinics, partnerships with medical distributors, and online sales platforms. 4. Regulatory marketing. Ensure all marketing materials comply with regulatory guidelines to avoid legal issues. Requirements for plant and machinery. Plant requirements. 1. Location. Choose a location with easy access to raw materials, skilled labor, and transportation facilities. 2. Infrastructure. A well-designed facility with separate areas for raw material storage, production, quality control, and packaging. 3. Compliance. Adherence to good manufacturing practices, GMP, and regulatory standards set by health authorities. Machinery list. 1. Blow-fill-seal, BFS, machines for forming, filling, and sealing fluid containers in a sterile environment. 2. Water treatment systems, to ensure the purity of water used in IV fluid production. 3. Mixing and storage tanks, for preparing and storing the IV solutions. 4. Filling machines, for accurately filling the IV fluid containers. 5. Sterilization equipment, to sterilize the containers and solutions. 6. Quality control instruments, for testing the quality and sterility of the final products. 7. Packaging machines, for labeling and packaging the IV fluid containers. Manufacturing process. 1. Water purification, treating water to meet pharmaceutical-grade standards. 2. Solution preparation, mixing water with required salts, dextrose, or other ingredients in sterile conditions. 3. Filling and sealing, using BFS technology to fill and seal the containers in a sterile environment. 4. Sterilization, sterilizing the filled containers to ensure product safety. 5. Quality control, conducting rigorous testing to ensure compliance with quality standards. 6. Packaging, labeling and packaging the products for distribution. Environmental and safety considerations. 1. Waste management. Implement effective waste management systems to handle chemical waste, packaging materials, and other byproducts. 2. Safety protocols. Establish safety protocols to protect workers from chemical exposure and other hazards. This includes personal protective equipment, PPE, and emergency response plans. 3. Sustainability. Adopt sustainable practices like energy-efficient machinery and eco-friendly packaging to minimize environmental impact. How we can help entrepreneurs. At NEER Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, we provide comprehensive support for setting up a new IV fluid manufacturing business. Our services include market survey and feasibility report, detailed analysis of market demand, competition, and financial viability. Manufacturing process, step-by-step guidance on the IV fluid production process. Flow sheet diagram, visual representation of the production workflow. Product mix, recommendations on the types of IV fluids to produce. Machinery details, specifications and sourcing of required machinery. Raw material details, information on sourcing high-quality raw materials. Project financials, complete financial analysis to assess project feasibility. Regulatory compliance, guidance on meeting regulatory and GMP standards. We offer a detailed project report, DPR, and business plan tailored to your specific needs, ensuring a smooth setup and operation of your IV fluid manufacturing business. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.